Hey you guys, and good morning. Today's Bryleigh's birthday. So birthday girl back there is getting ready. We are getting ready to go to, she wants to go look at fish. She really wanted a bunny, but I think we talked her into getting a fish instead because we already have 2 dogs. I don't really think we need a bunny too. So maybe eventually we'll let her get a bunny. But right now, she's getting ready. Let me see that makeup. Let me see that beautiful makeup. Let me see, it looks good. Huh? Oh, okay. Anyway, I started on a balloon arch for her birthday party yesterday. We're just having like a little small get together with some friends. I do. A lot of this stuff I found at the Dollar Tree. So I got these cute little cups. We're having a candy bar. So I thought these would be cute. I got these red ones and then I also got these blue ones. And then I got these flowers at the Dollar Tree and I just took like a little flag and stuck in there. So it's like a cute little bouquet. And I already had the mason jars and then, yeah, just a few little things here and there to make it look cute. But I'm really excited about this balloon arch. That's gonna look so cute. We've all been working on that. The kids have been blowing up balloons for me. I don't know what this one's doing with that balloon.
Look at it.
She's doing red, white, and blue eyes. Let me see that one, Sissy. Beautiful. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bryleigh. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. You gotta blow the candle out first.
Make a wish, blow it out. $5 later.
He does.
Did you make a good wish?
You almost blew the candle off the cake.
Alright, so we've been running errands all day. We came home and we sang happy birthday to Bryleigh. And now we're gonna do our tie-dye shirts. We've been forgetting. We had to pick up Travis one at the store today, so we're gonna do our tie-dye shirts. That way all of us have 4th of July tie-dye shirts to wear tomorrow. So we got my, obviously we got Caden and Bryleigh one, me and Travis, and then my niece and nephew are staying in town with us, so we got them a shirt, so we are all gonna tie-dye and have matching 4th of July shirts. So, I know I'm being real brave doing this inside right now, but we all just got plain white shirts, and then I picked up the RIT dye, so I'm just gonna try and see if this works. I need to put all that laundry away, but I've been trying to get everything prepared for the party, so my house is slacking. Anyway, so I got red and blue, so I'm just gonna put these in like a little spray bottle. And then we are all gonna just do our tie-dye shirts. Are you using blue and red?
Yeah.
We're gonna do 4th of July, so you need blue and red.
Blue and red?
Yeah.
I know.
I'm so excited about how that balloon arch is turning out.
Oh yeah.
I cannot wait to get that hung up.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm making a happy birthday sign on mine, and then I'm gonna do like red and blue all over it.
Okay.
But I'm gonna add a little bit white.
All right, so I took a little bit of the RIT dye and I just put some warm water in here and then put however much I thought would like do the color that we needed. And then I figured these would be easy for the kids to put on the shirts. And then we're just going to take our rubber bands. How are you doing yours, Bry?
So I'm doing like, camel. Yeah, I'm doing like American flag design. Camel's trying
American flag. What are you doing with yours?
Wait, I'm making like American flag.
American flag. So Bryleigh's doing American flag.
Actually, I'm doing like red, white, and blues. We don't have
love
white
it.
dye because the shirts are
Yeah, their shirts are white, so we're just doing red and blue. Alright, so we're moving the tie-dye outside because it started to go through the clear stuff that I had on the table. It started to go through it and now my table is like a little bit stained red. You can't really see it, but I can see it a little bit and it's kind of driving me crazy. So we are moving them outside. Bryleigh's turned out really cute though. I cannot wait to see it when it's all done.
You guys can't believe these balloons my mom got. They're so cool.
They're huge.
Like,
I got them for the balloon arch.
Like right when you start blowing them up, watch how big they get.
I think they're like 17-inch balloons, but they're gonna look so cool on that balloon arch. I've never done a balloon arch before, but I've seen them and I was like, I really wanted to do one. And so I started researching and I ordered this tape on Amazon. So it's called balloon tape, or what is this? It's like balloon arch. It's not called tape below for it. And then it just comes with like little glue dots. So it's balloon tape and then the balloon strip. So it made it so easy, and then when I hang it up, and then if there's like spots that need filled, the balloon glue goes on here, and then I can like put different ones in. So I'm so excited to get that all done. Bryleigh's blowing up more balloons. They have been asking for days to blow up more balloons. Is that one of the big ones?
Yeah.
Okay. Kaden has this cool idea. He took a cookie cutter, and then he's gonna outline the star. That way he's got some stars on his 4th of July shirt. Alright, Hunter's doing, are you doing red stars?
That's the shirt I'm gonna wear every 4th of July.
No? You doing a blue one?
You can't put too much or it's gonna spread. I can go make more blue.
It's pretty cool. I'll go make more blue. Alright, so Kaden ran out all the blue, so I'm gonna make some more blue. So all I did was take 2 cups of water, microwave it for a little bit, that way it's a little bit warm, and then I just put a couple of drops of the blue in there, and then just put it in here, and it was super easy for the kids to...
Is mine dry?
Not yet. It's gotta sit for a minute.
Kaden is.
No, I meant he ran out of all the blue. So yeah, I'm gonna make some more, and then I still have to do mine and Travis's shirts, which Bryleigh Daddy said you can do his shirt if you want to.
Oh yeah, I want to do his.
You want to do Daddy's shirt?
Yeah.
And then my nephew Hunter has to finish it. So I'm gonna make some more blue so he can get his done, and we can have our tie-dye shirts for tomorrow. Alright, all the tie-dye shirts are done. We just have to wait on them to kind of dry, and then we can wash them and make sure that they are ready for tomorrow. I did this one yesterday. I bleach dyed this one. I've been obsessed with tie-dye and bleach dye like everybody else right now, but I love the way that this one turned out. It's just like a beachy, good vibes shirt, and it was just plain red, and it was like an oversized t-shirt that I had gotten from a thrift store a while ago, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try bleach dyeing it, and I love the way that it turned out. It just looks so cute. But yeah. I have a ton of stuff to set up for tomorrow. My house is a disaster because I've been trying to get everything ready for tomorrow. So the kids have been sleeping on an air mattress because since my niece and nephew are in town, they've all wanted to kind of stay out here. So I gotta get that put up. I gotta get the living room cleaned up.
Wait.
I got Bryleigh a new headboard. We are redoing.
Mommy, I'm having a slumber party.
Okay.
So, yeah, we're living this out.
What? We're living this out. I got Bryleigh a new headboard because she wants a smaller bed, so I found that one on Facebook Marketplace, and I think it's so cute. I cannot wait to get her room redone. But anyway, I keep scrolling. I got some red, white, and blue candy. We have a ton of blue candy over, I put it somewhere. But then I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up some flowers and some flags, and then just got a few cute little decorations. Nothing too major, and then we just got lots of food, and I'm so excited for tomorrow. What you doing?
Oh my god. Can I make it that small?
Sure.
That small.
Alright, so I am working on the balloon arch. I got it hung up. So this is like right when you walk in our front door. And I figured this would just be like a super cute statement for the party when you walk in. So I got it hung from the top, and then I'm gonna just have it draping down, and then it still has some more that can go down. So we are blowing up balloons now and sticking them on there. I recommend getting kids to blow up the balloons for you. So it still has some of this like tape stuff, or like the strip. So I'm gonna have it where it's gonna drape down onto the floor. All right, so everybody is still sleeping, well, except for the boys. They're outside playing. So I'm gonna get started on setting up the candy buffet table. I've worked a little bit more on the arch today, and I think it's turning out so cute. What's the matter, Kimmel? What's the matter? hear my dog whining. But I have so much stuff to do. I still have to make some food. I've got to, gotta get the house cleaned. And yeah, I just have a few things I need to finish. So I'm gonna get started on this table. I have like a whole thing in mind of what I wanna do. So I'm hoping it turns out exactly how I have in mind. So any sparse areas, I just take the balloon and then these glue dots, and then I can just put them on there. So I'll just put them on like the side, and then you just stick them on.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. So any of the spots right there that may need like color or they're bare, I'm just gonna take the glue dots and then you can put it on. So I got the balloon arch finished finally. It's taken 3 days worth of work to finish that, but look how cool it looks. So excited. It's like right when you walk in, focus. So it's like right when you walk in the front door, you see this, and then you can either go there. We got like coolers and stuff over there. And then over here is the candy / dessert buffet table. So everything is starting to come together. I have a couple friends that are bringing, there's like an American flag cookie cake. Hey, you remember how I wanted to make the American flag cookie cake?
Yeah.
Luckily I didn't make it because Ashley made it. Well, I'm gonna put like the desserts on this table. I have a trifle. It's like a red, white, and blue trifle out in the fridge, so I'll put that on the table last minute. I got some buffalo chicken dip in the crock pot. So it is almost party time. I gotta get ready though. Get all of that finished before I started getting ready, but I love the way that this, what are you just lurking in the background?
Yeah.
But I love the way that this turned out. I think it'll be like the perfect like photo booth spot. So I'm gonna have like the camera set up in front of it, so you can kind of like stand up against the wall and get a picture. So yeah, I think it's so cute, especially for my first, there's like a few spots where I could use some more balloons, but we ran out. The kids popped a lot of them, so I probably should have just bought like extra bags. But there's like a spot up there that needs a balloon. But other than that, I think it looks super cool and I just love it. Happy birthday, dear Bryleigh. Happy birthday to you.
Smile.
So concentrated.
Were you praying?
Made her quit.
America!
That's my daughter.
Trump 2020!
Trump 2020. I love that kid.